Hi all, welcome back. So today we are going to deal with the remaining Shuklagata Rogas. In part 1 we dealt with enumeration and Armalakshanas and its Chikitsa. Now in this Shuklagata Roga part 2 we are dealing with the remaining diseases. In that first one is Shuktika. This is from Ashtanga Hridaya. पित्तं कुर्यात् सिदे बिन्दून् असिदक्षावपीतकान् मलाक्तदर्शतुल्यं वा सर्वं शुक्लं सदाहरुक् रोगो अयं शुक्तिका सप्न्यः स शकृद्भेदधृज्वरः. So pittam kuryat side. So pittam kuryat side means this is a Shuklagata Roga and which dosha predominant? Pittam. So this is a Pittaja Vyadi. Bindhun. It looks like a bindu, a dot. These are the colors. Asida Kshava Pidagan. The bindun having color Asida Kshava Pidagan. Dark, brownish or yellowish in color. So you can see a bindu, a dot which is Shava, Asida and Pita Varna in the Shukla Bhaga. Malakta Darsha Tulyam va Sarvam Shuklam. Sarvam Shuklam. Whole Shukla region looks like Malakta Darsha Tulyam va. Malakta Darsha Tulyam va means what? Mala Leba Dikta Darpana Samanam va Sarvam Shuklam. Mala Leba Dikta Darpanam. Darpana means glass. So glass smeared with dirt. Mala Leba Dikta Darpanam. So Malakta Darsham Tulyam va Sarvam Shuklam. A glass smeared with dirt. The Shukla Bhaga or white portion of our eye looks like Malakta Darshana Tulyam. Sadaha Ruk. Other symptoms are Daha and Ruk, burning sensation and pain will be there. Rogo Ayam Shuktika Sapnyaha. That disease is known as Shuktika. Sa Shagrat Pheda Trijjvara. What all symptoms will also be there in general body? Sagrat Phedam. Sagrat Pheda means loose motion. Thrid. Thirst will be there, jvara, fever will be there. All these are due to the pitta dosha visheshan. So these are the symptoms according to Vakbhadacharya, according to Ashtanga Hridaya. These are the symptoms of Shuktika. So what is Shuktika? Shuktika is conch or seashell. So that is known as Shuktika. The word meaning of Shuktika is seashell. So Pittam Kuryat. This is a Pitta predominant disease. Bindun Side. So, in a Shukla Bhaga, Bindun, a dot can be seen. The color of the dot is Asida Shyava Pitakan. So, darkish, brownish or yellowish in color. Malakta Darshadulyam va Sarvam Shuklam. Whole Shukla looks like Malakta Darshadulyam. Malakta Darshadulyam means Darpana smeared with dirt. Darpana is glass. Glass smeared with dirt. Sadaharuk. What all symptoms will be there? Burning sensation and pain will be there. Rogam Arogo Ayam Shuktika Sapna. That disease is known as Shuktika. Which all symptoms can be seen in whole body? Sagrat Phedam, Thrid and Jvara. So there will be loose motion, Thrid. Thirst will be there and Jvara, fever will be there. So this is according to Ashtanga Hridaya. Next we will see according to Susula Samveda. श्यावाः स्युः पिशितनिभाश्च बिन्धवो ये शुक्त्याभा सिदनयने स शुक्तिसप्न्यः. श्यावाः स्युः पिशितनिभाश्च बिन्धवो ये शुक्त्याभा सिदनयने स शुक्तिसप्न्यः. So in where it is seen in Shukla Bhaga, Shyava Syuhu Pishida Nibhascha Bindavo. This is also in Susradacharya also mentioned this as a bindu, a small dot. Shyava Varna, that is brownish in color. Pishida Nibhascha. Pishida means mamsa, formed with mamsa. Shuktyapha. Shuktyapha means looks like Shukti. Shuktyapha idi Jala Shuktir evi kinchit dirkaha. Little long seashell. It looks like a Shuktyapha idi Jala Shuktir eva. Kinchit dirkaha. Little long seashell. Siddhanayane Shukti Sapnyaha. That is known as Shukti. So Shyavavarnam Pishida Nibhascha. It is formed of Mamsa Bindavo. It looks like a dot. Shuktyapha. How it looks like Jala Shuktika. Seashell. Siddhanayane Shukti Sapnyaha. That is known as Shuktika. So it looks like this. Okay. In the Shukla region you can see Shyavavarna and it looks like a Shanga. Right. Seashell. Shukti. It looks like a Shukti. And this is known as Shuktika. Shuktika means Shanga or seashell. So this is this Shuktika. We can have a similar condition in modern, that is a stage of xerophthalmia. Okay, Bitot spot in xerophthalmia. Xerophthalmia is due to vitamin A deficiency. So that is Shuktika. So Shuktika is nothing but it is seen in the Shukla Bhaga, and it is Shava Varna, and it looks like a bindu, a dot, and the color of the dot is Shava. In Ashtanga Hridaya, Acharya mentioned it as Asida, Shava or Pita. These three color can be seen. Shuktapya, it looks like a Jala Shukti. Siddha Naine is a Shukti Sapnaha. That is known as, this condition is known as Shuktika. In Ashtanga Hridaya, Acharya mentioned that there will be Daha and Ruk also, and in a general body there will be Shagadbhedam, Thrid and Jwara, because it is a Pitta predominant diseases. There is Visheshan of Pitta in whole body. This is the Lakshana of Shuktika. Next comes the treatment. Pitta Abhishandavat Shuktim. So it is a Pitta Vikara. So you have to give here Pitta Abhishanda Chikitsa. Pittaja Abhishanda is a disease mentioned in Sarvakshiroga. When we will deal with that, we will go into detail. So here in Shuktika, we have to give Pitta Abhishanda Chikitsa. Samanya Chikitsa, I'll give you here. It is mentioned in Susra Samhita. This is Pitta Abhishanda Samanya Chikitsa. Pittasyande Paitigescha Adimande Rektasravaha Sramsanam Chabi Karyam Akshnoho Seka Lepa Nasya Anjanani Paitescha Syad Visarpehi Vidanam. So Pittasyande Paitigescha Adimande. So in Pittaja Abhishanda and Pittaja Adimanda, the following treatment should be given. Rekta Sravaha Sramsamanam cha Abhikaryam means Rekta Sravaha means bloodletting should be given. Sramsanam cha Abhikaryam, Sramsanam, Virejanam can be given. Akshnoho Seka Lepa Nasya Anjanani. In eyes, what all things we have to give? Seka, Lepa, Nasya and Anjana. So Seka, Lepa and Anjana in eyes, and Nasya also can be given. Paitescha Syad Visarpe Vidhanam. Also we have to give here Pittaja Visarpa Chikitsa. So this treatment we can give in Shuktika also. So what all things we have to give? Bloodletting should be given. Sramsanam, Virejanam should be given. In Akshi, Seka, Lepa and Anjana with Pittahara drugs can be given. Nasya can be given. And also we have to give Pittaja Visarpa Chikitsa. So this is according to Susra Samhita. Vishesha Chikitsa was mentioned in Susra Samhita. Doshe adastad shuktikayam apaste shider drevyer anjanam karyamashu. Dosher adastad shuktikayam apaste. Doshe adastad shuktikayam apaste means adastad apaste doshe virejanam iti sheshaha. So doshe adastad apaste. So Shuktikaya. So in Shuktika we can give Virejanam. Doshe adastat apaste. Elimination of dosha through Virejana. So in Shuktika we have to eliminate dosha through Virejana. Shider Drevyer Anjanam Karyamashu. And also we can give Anjana using Shida Drevyas. It is a Pittaja Vikara, right? So we have to use Shida Virya Drevyas for Anjanam. So this is the Vishesha Chikitsa for Shuktika mentioned in Susruta Samhita. Dosher Adastad Shuktikayam Apaste Shider Drevyer Anjanam Karyamashu. So we have to give Virejanam in this condition, and also using Shida Drevyas, Shida Veda Drevyas we have to do Anjanam. So in Ashtanga Hridaya it is mentioned we have to give Pitta Abhishanda Chikitsa. So Pitta Abhishanda Chikitsa, what all things we have to give? We have to do Shiramoshana. Bloodletting should be done. Virejana can be given, and Seka, Alepa, Nasya, and Anjana using Pittahara drugs can be given. And also, it is mentioned that Paitika Visarpa Chikilsa can also given in Pitta Vishanda. So, in Shuktika also we can give Paitika Visarpa Chikilsa. Vishesha Chikilsa mentioned in Susra Samhita is this one. That is, Virejana can be given, and using Shida Dravyas we can give Anjanam. So this is Shuktika. Shuktika is a Pittaja Vyadi. This is about Shuktika. Next disease is Balasa Gratita. Balasa Gratita. So this is a Kapha predominant disease. Shofasthu Arujaha Savarno Bahalo Amruduhu Guruhu Snigdo Ambu Bindwapho Balasagraditam Smritam. Shofasthu Arujaha Savarno Bahalo Amruduhu Guruhu Snigdo Ambu Bindwapho Balasagraditam Smritam. So, Balasagradita is a swelling, Shofasthu. That swelling, how it is? Arujaha, there is no pain. Savarno, same color. Bahalo, thick. Amrudu, not soft. Guruhu, heaviness will be there. Snigdo, sliminess will be there. Ambu Bindwapho, it looks like a water drop. Balasagraditam smritam, that is known as Balasagraditam. So it is a shofam, swelling without pain, same varnam, thick, hard and heavy, and also sliminess will be there, and it looks like a water drop. So that is known as Balasagraditam, and it is a Kafaja Vyadi. This is according to Ashtanga Hridaya. In Susra Samhita, Kamsyabho Bhavati Side Ambu Bindu Tulyaha Satnyeyo Amrudu Arujo Balasakakyaha. Kamsyabho Bhavati Side. In Siddha, in Shukla Bhaga only, Kamsyabho. Kamsya means its color is similar to bronze. Kamsya is bronze. So the varnam resembles bronze. Kamsyabho Bhavati Side Ambu Bindu Tulyaha. Same like water drops. Ambu Bindu Apo. Ambu Bindu Tulya. Same. Ambu Bindu Tulya Satnyeyo Amrudu Arujaha. There is no pain and not soft. That means hard. Balasakakyam, that is known as Balasa Grandhi. So here Acharya mentioning only one extra point, that is Kamsyapho Bhavati Side. So the varna is similar to that of bronze. So this is according to Susruta Samhita. The same it is mentioned, it looks like a water bubble in the Shukla Bhaga. So this is a picture of a retention cyst in the conjunctival region. So it looks like this, right? Shofo, there is a swelling. Arujaha, Savarno, same color. Bahalo, it is a hard and it is thick and it is having shining. Ambu Bindwapho, it looks like a water drops, right? So this is Balasa Gradita. Treatment for Balasagradita. So it is a Kafaja Vyadi. So Kafahara Chikilsa can be given. Balasahvaya Pishtage Kapha Abhishandavat Muktva Siravedam Upacharet Bijapura Rasaktam Cha Vyosha Katphala Manjanam. Balasahvaya Pishtage Kapha Abhishandavat Muktva Siravedam Upacharet. So in Balasagradita and Pishtaga, next disease is Pishtaga, that is also Kapaja Vyadi. So treatment is mentioned together. Acharya mentioned both the treatment together. So Balasa Grandhi and Pishtaga, we have to give Kapha Abhishandavat. Chikilsa is same as Kapha Abhishandam. Muktva Siravedam Upacharet. So in that we have to give full Kapha Abhishanda Chikilsa except Siraveda, bloodletting. Except bloodletting, we have to give all other Chikilsa mentioned in Kapaja Abhishandam. Bija Pura Rasaktam Cha Vyosha Katpala Manjanam. This is what Anjana Yoga. Bija Pura Rasa, Vyosha and Katpala. Vyosha and Katpala mixed with the Bija Pura Rasa. We have to give Anjanam in this condition. So Balasa Pistage in Balasa Gradida and Pishtaka, Kapha Abhishanda Chikilsa can be given except Siraveda, and this is one Anjana Yoga with Vyosha, Katbala and Bijapura Rasa. And this is another Anjana Yoga, Jadi Muguladi Varti. All these things are very important. You have to by heart all these slokas. Jadi Mugula Sindhu Ter, Devadaru Mahaushadher, Pishter Prasanneya Vartihi, Shofa Kandugna Manjanam. So, in conditions having swelling and itching, we can give this Varti, Anjana. Jadi Mugula Sindhu Ter, Devadaru Mahaushadam. These are the ingredients. Jadi Mugulam, Saindavam, Devadaru and Mahaushadam. Pishter Prasanneya Vartihi. With what we have to do, Bhavana? We have to mix with Prasanneya. Prasanneya means Prasanna Madhya. We have to mix all these 4 drugs in Prasanna Madhya and we have to write Anjanam. So in Shofa Kandugnam, in Kavacha conditions, we can give this yoga. Jadi Muguladi Varti can be given. So this is the treatment for Balasagradita and Pishtaga. So Balasagradita we have to give Kavacha Abhishanda Chikilsa. And except Siraveda, all other treatment can be given. So we will see what is Kavacha Abhishanda Samanya Chikilsa. This is Balasa Grandhi. This is a retention cyst of conjunctival cyst. This is the treatment for Kapha Abhishanda. Syad Adimando Kavacho Syenda Adimando Kavacho Pravritto Jayet Siranam Athamokshanena Sweda Avapida Anjana Duma Seka Praleba Yogir Kapla Grahescha Rukshes Tatha Aschodana Samvidaner Tatheva Rukshehi Pudapaga Yogehi Trahatrahascha Apyapatarpanande Prada Tayor Tiktakritam Prashastam Tad Annapanam cha Samachared Di Esleshmano Naiva Karodi Vrithim. Syenda Adimando Kafacho Pravarto in Adimanda Abhishanda and Kabaja Abhishanda and Kabaja Adimanda. Jayet Siranam Athamokshanena. So first in Kabaja Adimanda and Abhishanda we have to give Sira Moksham, but in Balasagradita and Pishtagam, Acharya mentioned Muktva Sira Moksha. Without Sira Moksha, all other treatment have to be given. So in those 2 conditions, we have to take from here. Okay. So Sweda, Avapida, Anjana, Duma, Seka, Praleba, Yogir, Kapala, Grihehi. Svedana can be given Avapidana Nasyam, Anjanam, Doomam, Segam, Pralepam, Vidalagam, Kapala can be given. Rukshehi tadha aschodana samvidhanir tatheva rukshir pudapaga yogehi. So ruksha aschodana and ruksha pudapaga can be given. So aschodana and pudapaga using ruksha dravyas can be given in this condition. Trahascha apyapadarpanante pradhastayor tiktakritam prashastam. So trahascha apadarpanante. So 3 days we have to give apatarpanam lenghanam. Pradhastayo tiktakritam prashastam. After that 3rd day morning we have to take tiktaka krita. That is also part of apatarpana chikilsa. So we have to give apatarpana chikilsa because it is a kafacha vikaram. Tad annapanam cha samachare ditte eskleshmano naiva karodi vrithim. So we have to advise the patient not to take kapha vritti food and drinks. So annapanam which will cause the increase of sleshma should be kapha should be avoided by the patient. So this is Kapha Abhishanda Adimanda Chikilsa. This only we have to take in Balasa Grandhi and Pishtaka condition. In this Sira Moksha should be avoided. All other Kabhara treatment can be given in Balasa Grandhi. So Balasa Grandhi, hope you understood that one. It looks like in Shukla Bhaga there is a swelling, right? That looks like water drops. So the treatment, and it is a Kapha predominant disease. So the treatment which will mitigate Kapha can be given here. So Acharya mentioned Kapha Abhishanda Chikilsa can be given, and 2 more yogas, Anjana yogas also mentioned, Jadi Muguladi Varti and Bijapura Swarasa, along with which all drugs? Bijapura Bijapura Rasaktam cha Vyosha Katpalam. With Vyosha and Katpalam, we have to mix Bijapura Rasa and can be given as Anjana here. So this is about Balasa Grandhi. Next come Pishtaka. As I mentioned before, Pishtaka is another Kapacha Vikara. According to Ashtanga Hridaya, Bindu Bihi Pishta Devaler Utsannehi Pishtagam Vadet. So Bindu Bihi Pishta Devaler Utsanner Pishtagam Vadet. So this is seen in Shukla Bhaga. Pishta Devaler Utsanner. It looks like a Bindu, a dot. Pishta Devaler Utsanne. How it looks like Pishta Devaler? Pishta Devaler means a paste made of rice flour. So rice flour, if we make a paste made of rice flour, it looks like that. Okay, this pishtaka. So bindu bihi, it looks like a paste. Bindu bihi, a small dot of paste seen in the shukla bhaga. Pishtakam vade, that is known as pishtaka. According to Susra Samhita, Utsannaha salila nibho ada pishtago shuklo binduryo bhavadi sapistagaha suvrittaha. Utsannaha. So there is a projection. Salila nibho looks like filled with the water. Atha pishta shuklo binduryo bhavadi. So pishta shuklo. Pishta can be shukla pishto. So white color pishta paste. Binduryo. How it looks like a dot. Bhavati sapishtagaha suvrittaha. Suvrittaha. It's round in shape. Perfect round in shape is known as pishtakam. This is according to Susrata Samhita. So here he is mentioning salila nibho. It is like filled with water. And say pishta shuklo, white colored rice flour, paste of rice flour, and it is round in shape and it is a bindu, dot. This is known as pishtaka. Looks like this. This is a picture of a pink gula. So you can see in the white portion there is a dot, and in Shukla Bhaga there is a dot. It looks like a pishta davalair. It looks like a paste of rice flour, and that is known as pishtakam. The treatment is same as Balasa Grandhi. Balasa koya pistage kafa vishandavad muktva siravedam upachared bijapura rasaktam ja vyoshakatbala manjanam. Same jadi muladivarti also we can tell here. So Shleshmahara, this is a Kapacha disease, so we have to give Shleshmahara treatment. This is one yoga mentioned in Susra Samhita. Mahaushada Magadikam cha Mustam Rasasa Indavam Yed Marijam cha Shuklam Yed Madulunga Swarasena Pishtam Netranjanam Pishtagam Ashu Hanyat. Mahaushadam Magadikam cha Mustam. So which all drugs are there? Mahaushada. Mahaushada is ginger. Magadikam Pipali. Musta. Saindavam. Yed Marijam pepper. Shuklam, Tad Madulunga Swarasena Pishtam. All these drugs we have to make a paste with Madulunga Swarasam. Netra Manjanam Pishtagam Ashu Hanye. That Anjana we can use for Pishtagam. So Mahaushadam, Magadika, Musta, Saindavam, Marijam. All these things we have to mix with Madulunga Rasa and can be given as Anjanam. So this is one Vishesha Yoga mentioned especially for Pishtaka in Susruta Samhita. Next disease is Arjuna. This is a Rektaja Vikara. Niruk Slakshno Arjunam Binduhu Shashalohida Lohitaha. Niruk Slakshno Arjunam Binduhu Shashalohida Lohidaha. So this is according to Ashtanga Hridaya. Niruk, there is no pain. Slakshno, slimy, shiny, there will be shining. Arjunam, Binduhu, here also it looks like a dot. Shashalohida Lohidaha, Lohida, red in color. Resembles the blood of Shasha. Shasha means rabbit blood. So in Shukla Bhaga, you can see a dot of blood which resembles rabbit blood, which is having without any pain, and Slakshno with shining is known as Arjuna. So this is Arjuna according to Ashtanga. In Susra Samhita, ego yaha shasharudiropamastu binduhu shuklastu bhavati tam Arjunam vadanti. Ego yaha, only one in number. Shasharudiropamastu. It resembles Shasharudira. Shasharudira is rabbit blood. Binduhu, one dot. Shuklasto, where it is seen in Shukla Bhaga. Bhavati tam Arjunam vadanti. That is known as Arjuna. So, in Shukla Bhaga, you can see Ego, one Bindu, that resembles the Lohita Varnam. Otherwise, that thing resembles Shasharudiro. It resembles the blood of rabbit. And where it is seen in Shukla Bhaga, this is known as Arjuna. This is a picture of subconjunctival hemorrhage. So, that is Arjuna. So, Neruk, Slakshno, Arjunam, there won't be any pain. Patient won't complain any pain, shining, and it looks like a bindu. One dot and red in color, which is similar to Shashalohida, rabbit blood. That is Arjuna. Next disease is Sirajala. All this remaining disease treatment are mentioned together. So first we'll dealt with all the Lakshanas. After that we go to the treatments. That is also a Rektaja Vikara. Arjuna is also a Rektaja Vikara. Sirajala is also a Rektaja Vikara. Sirajale Sirajalam Brihat Rektam Khanonnatam. Sirajale, Sirajalam, Brihat Rektam Khanonnatam. So Sirajala means Sirajala. Sirajala is network of blood vessels. Brihat Rektam Khana Unnatam. Brihat Rektam, big. Rektam, filled with the blood. Khanam, thick. Unnatam, prominent. So this is Sirajalam. So in Shukla Bhaga, you can see Sirajalam, network of blood vessels, which is hard, thick, and filled with the blood, and it is projected up. Very prominent. Very prominent blood vessels can be seen in Shukla Bhaga. That is also like a network of blood vessels. That is Sirajala. According to Susra Samhita, Jalapaha Kadinasiro Mahan Sarektaha Santanaha Smrita Iha Jala Sapnidastu. Jalapaha Kadina Siro Mahan Sarektaha. So Sirajala is a Jala, network of Kadina Siro, thick blood vessels. Mahan, big one. Sarektaha, filled with rekta. Santanaha. Santanaha means it is developing continuously. That network is developing continuously. Smrita ihi jala iha jala sapnidastu. That is known as Sirajala. Same only, Acharya Susruta is also mentioning that Sirajala is a network of blood vessels. The blood vessels looks like hard, thick, prominent, and filled with the rekta, and it will develop continuously. That is known as Sirajala. From the name itself you can understand, right? Sirajala, network of blood vessels, which is prominent and thick. So like this you can see in Sirajala. It is very prominent blood vessels you can see in the Shukla Bhaga, and it is very thick and filled with lot of blood. This condition is similar to that scleritis, anterior scleritis. That is Sirajala. So Arjuna is over. Arjuna is nothing but a dot of blood can be seen in Shukla Bhaga. Shukla Bhaga, which resembles Shashalohidam. Shashalohidam means blood of the rabbit. Sirajala means a network of blood vessels, which is the blood vessels will be thick, red. Red means it is filled with a lot of blood, hard and prominent. So that is Sirajala. Next is Sirapitaka. So there is one Pitaka in this disease. Daha Karsha, this is Ashtanga, according to Ashtanga, Daha Karshavatyaha, Siravrata, Krishnasanna, Sirasapnya, Pidika, Sarshapopama. Daha Karshavatyaha, Siravrata, Krishnasanna, Sirasapnya, Pidikaha, Sarshapopama. Daha Karshavatyaha Siravrata. So this is a Pitika. Pitika is seen in Shukla Bhaga with the symptoms like Daha and Karsha. It will be rough and burning sensation will also be there. Siravrata, and it is surrounded by Sira, blood vessel. Krishna Asannaha, where it is seen near the Krishna Mandala. Krishna Asannaha, Sira Sapna Pitika, Sarshapobama. That Pitika resembles Sarshapobama, like a mustard seed. So the Pitika can be seen near the Krishna Mandala, and there will be burning sensation, and Karsha will be rough to touch, and Siravrata, it is surrounded by blood vessels, that is known as Sira Pitaka. So Sira Pitika is a Pitika seen near the Krishna Mandala, which is surrounded by the blood vessels, and there will be burning sensation, and it is rough to touch, and that Pitika resembles Sarshapa, mustard seeds. This is according to Ashtanga Hridaya. Next comes according to Susra Samhita. Shuklastaha Siddha Pitakaha Siravrita Yasta Vidyad Asida Samipajaha Sirajaha. Shuklastaha Siddha Pitaka Siravrita Yasta Vidyad Asida Samipajaha Siraja. So here Acharya Susruta is mentioning Asida Samipajaha, Krishna Mandala Samipajaha, Shuklastaha in Shuklabhaga. In Shuklabhaga, near the Krishna Mandala, Sida Pidakaha, white colored Pitika. Pitaka can be seen, which is surrounded by Sira, blood vessel, Siravrata, Yasta Sirajaha. That disease is known as Sira Pitaka. So Acharya is mentioning, Susruta Acharya is mentioning, a Pitaka, white colored Pitaka can be seen near the Krishna Mandala in the Shukla Mandala, and it is covered with Sira, that is Sira Pitaka. So it looks like this. This Pitaka will be white in color. It is near the Krishna Mandala, but in the Shukla Mandala, a Pitaka can be seen, and it is surrounded by Siravrata, and there will be Daha and Kasha also. This is known as Shira Pitaka. This can be episcleritis. Okay, Sira Pitaka was mentioned in Ayurveda, and a similar condition in modern is episcleritis. One nodule will be there and surrounded by blood vessels. That is Sira Pitaka. So Arjuna Rektaja Vikaras. This is Sannipadaja Vikara. Okay, Sira Pitaka Esham Sannipadaja Sadhyascha. So this is a Sannipadaja Vikara. So what we mentioned before was Arjuna and Sira Jala were Rektaja Vikaras, and this is Sira Pitaka is Sannipadaja Vikara. Next comes Sirotpada. Sirotpada and Shira Harsha is mentioned only in Ashtanga Hridaya, in Shuklakata Roga. In Susra Samhita it is mentioned in Sarvakshi Roga. So Sirotpada. Rektarajistadam Shuklam Ushyate Yatsavedanam Ashofa Ashru Upateham Cha Shirotpadam Sa Shonidam. Rektarajistadam Shuklam Ushyate Yatsavedanam Ashofa Ashru Upateham Cha Shirotpadam Sa Shonitat. So it looks like a Rektaraji. Rektarajistatam. So in Shuklam. In Shukla region, in our white portion of the eye, you can see Rektaraji, lines, red lines like blood vessels can be seen. Yet Savedana, with pain. Ashofa Ashru Upadehavat, but there won't be any swelling, watering of eyes, or any coating or covering of the eyes. Cha Shirotpadam Sashonitat. That is Shirotpadam, and it is a Rektaja Vikara. It is due to the visheshan of Rektam. So Shirotpada in Ashtanga Hridaya, Acharya mentioned this in Shuklagata Vyadi, and it looks like a Shirotpada. It looks like the Shukla Mandala is fully covered with Raji, Rekta Raji, blood vessels, lines of blood vessels. Shuklam Ushyate Ushyate, there will be burning sensation. Yatsa Vedana, there will be pain also, but there won't be any Shofa, Ashru and Upadeham. That is known as Shirotpada and it is a Rektaja Vikara. So in Shukla region you can see lines, red lines of Rektaraji of blood vessels. This is known as Shirotpadam. This picture is also a type of scleritis. This is Shirotpada symptom. So, Arjuna over. Which all diseases over? Arjuna, Shirajalam, Shirapidaka, Shirotpada over. So, next is Siraharsham. Siraharsham. उपेक्षितः शिरोत्पादो राजिस्ता एव वर्धयन् कुर्यात् स अस्रं सिराहर्षं तेन अक्षि उद्वीक्षण अक्षमम्. उपेक्षितः शिरोत्पादो राजिस्ता एव वर्धयन् कुर्यात् स अस्रं सिराहर्षं तेन अक्षि उद्वीक्षण अक्षमम्. Ubekshitaha Shirotpadam. If you neglect Shirotpada, if you are not giving treatment for Shirotpada, it will lead to Siraharsha. Rajistha Eva Vardayan. We saw red eye, right? Last picture we saw there is a lot of Rajis. Red lines can be seen in the Shukla Bhaga that will increase. That means congestion of the blood vessels will increase in Shiroharsha compared to Shirotpada. So, Ubekshitaha Shirotpada. If you are not treating Shirotpada properly, Rajistha Eva Vardayan. This Raji blood lines will increase. Kuriyat Sa Asram. It will cause the blood flow of. This is caused by Rekta. Kuriyat Sa Asram. This is also Rektaja Vikara. Siraharsham. Kuriyat Sa Asram Siraharsham. Siraharsha will make Rekta Shonita is causing Siraharsham. Tena Akshi Udvikshana Akshamam. Because of there will be loss of vision. Okay. Tena Akshi Udvikshana Akshamam. Vision will get affected. If you are not treating Shirotpada, it will go to Siraharsha. There the Rajistha Eva Vardayan. There will be increase in the congestion of blood vessels and it will leads to, because of the vitiation of blood, it will leads to the Udvikshana Akshamam. It will affect the vision, loss of vision. Okay, so that is Sira Harsham. Next comes the treatment of all these diseases. Rektasyandavad Utpada Harsha Jala Arjuna Kriya. So, Rekta Abhishanda Chikilsa can be given here in Shirotpadam, Siraharsham, Sirajalam and Arjuna. So, in all these were Rektaja Vikaras and only one disease is not there here because it is a Sannipadaja Vyadi, that is Sira Pitaka. So, all other diseases, Sirotpada, Siraharsham, Sirajala and Arjuna, all these are Rektaja Vikara. So, Rekta Abhishanda Chikilsa can be given. This is according to Susra Samhita. Mandam Sendam Shirotpadam Siraharsham cha Rektajam Egeneva Vidhanena Chikilsed Chaduro Getan. So, in all this disease, we can give Rekta Abhishanda Chikilsa. Mandam, Adimandam, Abhishandam, Shirotpadam, Siraharsham, we can give the same treatment. So now we will see what is the treatment for Rekta Abhishandam. Vyadartho Chaduro Apyedan Sniktan Kaumpena Sarpisham Reser Udarer Adava Sira Mokshena Yojayet. Vyadyartho Chaduro, that means the above mentioned 4 diseases. Snigdan Kaumpena Sarpisham. Snehana should be given with Kaumpena Sarpishan. Kaumpena Sarpishan means 100 years old Sarpisha Krita. Raser udarer adava. Otherwise, we can give mamsarasa. After giving snehana or giving mamsarasa, we can go for sira mokshena yojayet. We can do sira moksham. After that, viriktanam prakamam cha shiram tesham vishodayet वैरेजनिक सिद्धेन सिदायुक्तेन सर्पिषां ततः प्रदेह परिषेचानि नस्यानि धूमाश्च यथास्वमेव आश्चोदन अभ्यञ्जन तर्पणानि स्निग्धाश्च कार्यः पुडपाकयोगाः Viriktanam prakamam cha shiramstesham vishodayet. So virejana can be given, siramstesham vishodayet. Nasya can be given, vairejnika siddhena siddhayuktena sarpisham. Before virejana we have to give snehana with siddhayuktena sarpisham. Sarpisha krida mixed with siddha. Sugar can be given before virejana for snehana. Tadaha, after that, tadaha pradeha parishejanani. So, pradeha, bidalaga can be done, parisheja, sega can be given, nasya, dhuma, yathaswameva, aschodana, abhyanjana, tarpanani. Aschodana can be given, abhyanjana, abhyanga can be given, tarpana, snigdascha karyam pudapaga yogaha. All this you can give with snehana. Snehana pudapaga, snehana aschodanam, snehana tarpana can be given in these conditions. So these are the treatment for Rekta Abhishanda, and here for all the Rektaja Vyadis we can adopt the same line of treatment. So first we have to give Snehana, and after that or Mamsarasa can be given, and after that we have to do Sira Mokshana bloodletting, then Virejana can be given, and also Urtha Shodhana, that is Nasya can be given, and also we can give Bidalaka, Seka, Nasyam, Dhuma, then Aschodanam, Abhyanjanam, Abhyangam, Tarpana, Pudapaga, all these with Snehana Dravyas can be given. This is the Vishesha Chikilsa mentioned in Ashtanga Hridaya. Shirotpade Visheshena Kridamakshikam Anjanam Siddha Harshetu Maduna Slakshna Krishnam Rasanjanam Arjune Sharkaramastu Kshaudra Aschodanam Hidam Spadika Kunguma Shango Madukam Maduna Anjanam Madunascha Anjanam Shangaha Fenova Sidaya Saha. So here Shirotpada. First one is Shirotpada Chikilsa. Shirotpade Visheshena Kridamashika Anjanam. So Anjana can be given with Krida and Makshika. So honey and ghee. With that we can give Anjana in Shirotpada. In Sira Harshetu Maduna Slakshna Krishnam Rasanjanam. Rasanjana mixed with Madhu. Honey can be given in Sira Harsham. In Arjuna, all these things are Arjuna Chikilsa. Arjune Sharkara Mastu Kshaudrer Aschodanam Hitam. So Aschodanam, this is a Aschodana Yoga. Aschodana is eye drops with Sharkara, Mastu and Shaudra. So Sharkara is sugar, Mastu is, what is Mastu? If we see in the uppermost part, that watery part you will get from Dadi, that is Mastu. So Sharkara, Mastu, Shaudra. Shaudra is honey. All those things we can mix and do Aschodana in Arjuna. And this is a Anjana Yoga, Spadika, Kungumam, Shanga, Maduka and Madhu. Madhu is honey. Honey mixed with Spadika, Kungumam, Shanga and Maduka. Maduka is Eshti Madhu. This one we can give as mixed with the honey and apply as Anjanam. Madhunascha Anjanam. Otherwise Anjanam. Anjana is Saviri Anjana mixed with Madhu can be given. Or Shanka Feno Vasidaya Saha. Shanka and Fena, Samudra Fena plus Sidaya, sugar can be given as Anjana. So these are the Anjana yogas and Aschodhana yogas for Shirodpadam, Shiraharsham and Arjuna. So in Shirodpada, Kritamashikam Anjana. In Shiraharsha, Rasanjana mixed with Madhu. In Arjuna, this is an Aschodhana yoga. Sharkara, Mastu and Shaudra can be mixed and give as Aschodhana. And Anjana, this is three Anjana yogas are mentioned. First one is Spadika, Kunguma, Shanga, Madhuka. Plus Madhu can be given, or otherwise Anjanam. So Viryanjana plus Madhu can be given, or Shanga, Fena and Siddha can be given as Anjana yoga in Arjuna. This is a treatment for Sirajala and Pidika. Sirajale Sirayastu Kadinaha Lekhana Aushadehi na Siddhyant Armavat Tasam Pidikanam cha Sadhanam. Sirajale Sirayastu Kadinaha Lekhana Aushadehi. In Sirajala and Sirapetika with Kadina Sira we can give Lekhana Aushada, Lekhana Anjanas. Na Siddhyant Armavat Tasam Pidikanam cha sadhanam. If it is not curing with Lekana Aushada, then we can go for Armavat Chikilsa. That means Chedanam. Like in Arma, we went for Chedana. Here also in Sira Jala and Sira Pitika, if these Siras, blood vessels are very thick and with Legana Aushada, it is not curing, then we can go for Arma Chedana or Chedana Shastra Chikilsa. So these are the treatment for all these diseases. Arjuna, Shirajala, Shirapitaka, Shiraharsha and Shirodpadam. Next is Sadhya Sadhita of Shuklagata Rogas. Shukti Harsha Shirodpada Pishtaga Gradida Arjunam Sadayet Aushadehi Shatkam Shesham Shastrena Saptagam Navotham Tathabi Dravyehi. Shukti Harsha Shirodpada Pishtaga Gradida Arjuna Sadaye Aushadehi Shatkam. All these 6 diseases we can treat with Aushadam. All these are Aushada Sadhya Vyadis. Shesham remaining Shastrena Saptagam. All the other remaining 7 diseases we can treat with Shastra Sadhya Vyadis. Navotham Tadhabi Dravyehi. Tathabi, in that also, if Navotham, newly occurring diseases, we can give treatment with Aushadam Dravyehi. Navotham Tadabi Dravyehi. In that we can give treatment with, that is also Aushada Sadhya. In the initial stages or this newly formed disease, we can treat that also with Aushadas. And if it is in the further stages, the other 7 diseases, we have to give Shastra Chikilsa. So that is Sadhya Asadhya. Shukti Harsha Shirodpada Pishtaga Gradida Arjunam Sadayed Aushadehi Shatkam Shesham Shastrena Saptagam Navotham Tabi Dravyehi. Armoktam Yascha Panjada Tat Chedyam Asida Praptam Mamsasnayu Siravratam Charmodala Vat Shukravat Drishti Praptam cha Varjayed. Charmodala Vat Uchrai Drishti Praptam cha Varjayed. So Armoktam Yascha Panjada. In Arma, Tat Chedyam Asida Praptam Mamsasnayu Siravratam. Tat Chedyam. It is a Chedana Sadhya Vyadi. Mamsasnayu Siravratam Charmodalavat Uchrai Drishti Praptam cha Varjayet. If it reaches, it is Mamsa Snayu Sira Avratam and Charmodalavat Uchrai. It is very thick like Charma. Drishti Praptam cha Varjayet. And if it is in the Drishti region, it is already in the Drishti, then we have to Varjayet. Don't do Chedana in that condition. So that is about Arma. So Armas, all the 5 types of Armas are Chedya Sadhya, Chedana Sadhya Vyadi, Shastra Sadhya Vyadi. But it is covered with the Mamsa, Snayu or Sira, and also if it is thick like Charma and reach the Drishti region, then we have to avoid that one. Don't do Chedana at that time. Thank you. So hope you all understood all the Shuklagata Rogas. Study all the slokas and the modern part I'll do in the next video. Okay? Thank you.